This is a Catco enclosure, and it opens up nice for heater pads that focus directly into the valve. You can have 1 or 2 heaters, and these will close and latch over any sort of valve or regulator. So there's 1 or 2 heaters with piping, -40 configurations, stainless steel junction box, and a manifold regulator if you need it, that's able to connect here. So this is a Fisher 630 with our 71015A enclosure with 2 heaters. The electrical junction boxes are here. Configuration of -40 is here. These are connected by manifold up to a low pressure regulator. We also have power cords if you need it. This does just latch around the box and it hangs off of the piping with a hole for the spring case up top. And this does hang out the top. You do not want to have this inside of the enclosure because that will melt your soft goods something fierce. This particular one can be a 1-inch or 2-inch hole based on punch outs. Gas will enter in here, split down, go down to the heater where it can be used to fuel the reaction.